Hey guys, this is Juan from Sketch to React, and I'm going to show you all the new stuff that came with Alpha 0.60. That was a huge update with a lot of cool stuff, so let's just dive in right now. We have a new element, oval. You just do something like this. You would use the oval, shortcut O, like that. And then you just need to name it, curly brackets, oval, curly brackets, and it will show up like this in code. Cool stuff. Also, we now have support shadows and inner shadows. So you can do stuff like this on text elements. You can also have drop shadows and like glowy effects on buttons, for example. So it will look like this in code, like that, and you see the glow there. That is really cool. We also have layer blend modes, so that's huge. We can do stuff like, actually we don't support rotation yet, but we are working on it. For example, you can do stuff like this screen, and it will look like this, like that. And you can multiply stuff, do difference calculations. This is really cool. It's a great way to integrate graphics into the background and stuff like that. And you also have, like, I don't know if you see it, but it's a subtle glowy thing on the letters here. It's really difficult to see. So that's really cool. Another huge thing is you can now use the add link to artboard tool W and link artboards like this, and they will show up like this in code. You can use it on buttons and you can use it on the navigation. It's a really fast way of going through your artboards, and it shows up in code. And this is another thing that came up with 0.56, but I haven't mentioned it in a video, so I mention it now. You can now integrate haiku animations into Sketch to React, and that is super awesome because haiku animations it's a very powerful tool that you can do interactive stuff with animations. When you have found one, you go to Embed options, and there you have different stuff here, but you need this one, HTML embed, and you need to pick out the different things here. Let's just zoom in here, I will show you. So for example, attribute.haiku core URL sorry, it's actually this one, and this one changes from version to version. You need to check this one. You copy there and you paste it here. The attribute ID, you will find it here. And actually this is something important. When you upload to Haiku, you get a different element ID. What you need to do is you need to go to your profile, because you need to have a profile. You need to be logged in. Here in this place you will find your animations. It's from here that you can pick the right code that works. So that is important. So you go there and you pick the different stuff here. So this is the element ID, and then you also need attribute animation source URL. So this is this CDN stuff. CDN stuff, you find it. You see it says CDN there. So you take this little one there and you copy paste it into our symbol, our haiku symbol. And then we added also loop through and then we deactivated the context menu. By default, you get a context menu when you right click. This one, you see this one. This is not nice to have in code, we think. So we disable that with this little code snippet here. There. So, boom. Yeah, another cool thing is that when you download the HTML files, for example this one, download, it will have the name of the artboard now. So it's called sign up instead of before. So whatever you put here, it will show up. So a good tip here is not to have, like I have here, the space here. So this one should be called, if we are going to make this really easy for ourselves in code, this one could be called like this, sign up. And this one should be called just day, sorry, with small letters. So let's just try it out. I just changed stuff here, and before that didn't work because you needed to change everywhere, but I think that it will work now because we use the awesome, exactly, the awesome artboard to link thingy. You see, this is very, very useful stuff. So you don't need to rename all the things in the nav elements and stuff like that anymore. That is super awesome. And of course you can go to our docs portal and check everything out. All the new stuff is there. So that's all I have for now. I think I got it all. Let me just check it out. Demos, boom. You have the haiku demo there, you have the mobile demo there, you have the style guide demo, wireframe demo, desktop demo. Yes, awesome. Have fun with this, guys. Cheers.